What do you want to film from here?
Got
tea? Do you want a coffee, babe? I think so, yeah.
Hold on. Hello there.
You get the coffees? There's the door.
There's another entrance here as well.
That's the door.
You can see here where they go through.
Where?
In here. Yeah. And then bricked it up again.
Alright. That's too far
That's
away.
the usual seats they sit on.
That's too far away to get to, isn't it? But that might be only that bush though.
Yeah, this is where they've done it before, because it's got three spots instead of normal.
Well, that'd be easy, wouldn't it?
That'd have been the toilet, a curtain either way, boys and girls toilets. No light.
No, and there's the same door in that one as well. You want a crapper?
Toilets.
Yeah, I bet they've had more than one entrance, didn't they?
Yeah.
Cut the boxes.
Nice big wood burning stove. Water boiler. Oh, that's it.
More toilets.
That's where it's been filled in previously. Which will be probably right on the boundary line, won't it? Where the stuff.
Ooh, it's Lenley's table water.
Yeah.
Something. Yeah,
So that's the one where it's been filled in from the building work.
another doorway. Baskets. There's a lot of sections to it. Another doorway.
Oh, that's just a little shelf in there.
That's where they would have broken originally. That looks like part of a gas blanket that had been fitted in one of the doorways.
Are you filming?
Yeah. It is. I knew it would be big. I knew it would be big.
Yeah.
The size of that bank.
This is brilliant! Right, guys, I knew by the time I'd this is brilliant! Look at that! There. 2005. What is that?
unusual, isn't it?
This is massive.
This is brilliant. What is in there?
Do you think something in there?
Yeah, there must be. Unless it's an entrance.
Bottom of the bottle. Margate.
What a terrific place. It is, isn't it? It's good photos down there, isn't it?
So,
Hey there. That's where they must have got him before when they broke
Yeah.
it. Right, isn't it?
Yeah. That's got to be quite back down by that shrubbery, isn't it? Yeah. What do you reckon? Break it up. Break it up more and have another entrance in here. And maybe dug it out.
Keep it as a door.
Well,
Where was the no?
you've got the gates.
You've got that, all that wall, then you've got the gates, then you've got all that.
We've got the fence on the opposite side.
This is
as
one,
well.
you make a door here and then he puts a gate on it. It's shame he ain't here. You have to speak to him, but what do you think yourselves? This is easier, but
If what it's worth, you just get a couple of lads down there with masts and just paddy bike it. It doesn't have to be a full-size door, does it?
no.
It can be like half a metre
Just so we
wide,
can get in.
like 500-600 mil.
See if I can get in on the phone.
yeah, give it a tinkle, see what he says.
Might go through
I'm serious. Right, let me go out there.
I've got the Draper crew out there now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in the van. Did you want to go and grab it?
Just got to the camera. This thing was that way a bit up.
Right.
It's a great light, isn't it?
No gold in there, like that.
I don't know, just so right at the edge. Once you get up a little bit, I'll put the money back.
Good that.
It's a great one, isn't it? Terrific.
Yeah.
I'm a bit good.
I've struggled to get out there.
We're not the first for donkey's years.
Certainly not the first.
Well, for quite a while anyway, I should imagine.
You alright?
Yeah, just trying to...
It's the same sort of height as the...
Got out the last one.
Huh?
Got out the last one.
Could you make for someone else?
Well, anyway, that's the Drapers Mill World War II air raid shelter. Thanks for looking.